Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial, and today we'll be demonstrating the Magento 2 Multimedia Marketplace responsive template that we have created. And today we'll be showing you how this particular template is a responsive template, and apart from that it will be supporting all the screens, either if you're viewing your marketplace store site on an iPhone, be it an iPad, whether it's an Android based mobile device or a smaller big screen device. It works very fine on all the screens there. And to give you an example, let me inspect this particular Chrome page. And now if I load that down, here you can see that this particular responsive template is really responsive for the mobile devices as well. So here you can see it's an iPhone 6, 7, 8, and if I go to maybe let's check it as iPad Pro, for example. Again, you can see that this particular theme is responsive. You can navigate through each and every part there very easily within the fit of your screen itself. Also, it supports what we say as the mega menus, and this is now the web browser with this particular Gore theme that we have for the multi-vendor marketplace for the Magento 2 platform-based marketplace stores. So here you can see that we have the mega menu. Just hover your mouse and you'll have your main category and the other categories below that as well. And surely it will be beneficial for your stores that are running on the Magento 2 platform itself. And here you have the featured products. As you can see, you have your clothing, your categories being listed, and options for just scrolling through them as well. And you can also sign into your account. So right now I'm already logged into my customer account. If I go to my account, you'll be able to see this particular the working of this theme. So here you can see it's totally different right now, and here you can see the my wish list. Different items are there. You can add the products to cart, make it checkout. So it is also a kind of a bit more changed now using this particular theme that we have. And for example, if I tap here on the go to checkout button, so you can see I'm on the checkout now, right? And let's go back to the home page again. Let me log out of this particular theme itself, and now let's go to the home page of the Multimedia Marketplace web store. So let me give you a brief over the home page that we have here. So here we have the different categories. Here we have the option to sign in. We have the option to create an account. Let me show you the create account page. So it's also totally different. The looks are completely different now using this particular responsive template. Here we have two top categories of the vendors, as you can see, and then we have the subcategories of the two top categories, and we also have these this particular section here that you're seeing just about the featured product. So basically here we have all the three or the third level categories along with the default images for each, and then we have the featured product section, the new products, and the rest of the stuff that's there by the vendors. And here you can also see the details of the marketplace vendors who are for the wear of the month. And from here you can also see the web seller profile very easily. Let me open that up in another window. Also, basically the products under here that we are having are the most popular products of the sellers, and here the sellers can enter their content as well. And if I go to the end of this page, home page, here we have the what we say as the social links at the footer of the page as well, and to the left of that we have the links that you need, and the users would logged in users would be able to see the important links in the footer of the page there as well. So kindly subscribe to our channel so that you'll be able to get more and more of the videos, video updates, and the latest updates on your mobile devices or the devices wherein you're accessing your YouTube. And And do like this particular video if you find this helpful, somewhat helpful to you for your own web store itself. And let's proceed further, and let's see the different sections after we have installed this particular responsive marketplace theme for the Magento 2 platform based marketplace web store. And we'll just go through each of the category pages and the other pages as well, and we'll be checking the different sections there. So for example, if we go to stilettos, let's navigate to that one. So this is a category where then you can see left hand we have stilettos. We can basically filter out by price. Right now we can have the compare products, wish list, and this is the kind of the view that the customers can see on the product pages. They can do the sorting. Let's go to the product page. Let's see how it appears to the customers. So here's the product page for this responsive theme, and from here you can see that we have the option to ask the question to the respective seller, and we can also check the list of the complete sellers actually, if we tap here on the view all at the seller's shop, it shows the complete list of the products for this particular vendor whose product right now we are checking out. And here you can see the other products of this particular seller, like the from seller's shop. Different other products are there. Here we have the about seller. We can follow the seller from here. We can check the seller profile by just tapping here on the seller profile. Let's see how we see that one. So this is the seller profile, the reviews, make a review, contact seller, policies, seller location. So if I tap there on the seller location, we have the location of the seller, the policies, the details of the needed to be entered by the customers to contact the sellers. Logged in customers can make a review. They can check the different reviews already posted for this particular product buy for this particular vendor. So let's go to the back to the product page. We are on the product page. We check the category, how it appears. Let's go back one more time to the categories. So here we are on the casual short category. Alright, let me go to some other one. Let's go to footwears, men footwear. I have only one product there. Alright, now here we can also change the view. So I've just changed the view to a list one. So now if I scroll, all the products would be visible in the list, and the add to cart and the rest of the compare and the wish list one will be on the right hand side, as you can see. Now let's sign into my account. So this is how we can sign in directly. Let me go to my account section. This is my home page here. Left hand side I have the marketplace or the vendor account panel. Then I have the account dashboard for the customer for this particular store. So a customer can also be a seller, as we know. So within the cart as well, you can see here we have two items. The subtotal is this. We have a very nice way when edit cart and go to checkout. We already saw the go to checkout. So if I tap here on the view and edit cart, this is how it appears within this particular responsive theme that we have. And if I inspect this, we can see right now it as an iPad Pro. Let me make it as iPhone 6, 7, 8. So you can see it's really responsive, and I can check the rest of the things as well from here. So if I go to sandals, then we have the sandals. I've just tapped here on the core theme. Let me tap on the back button. We'll come back to the product page within the mobile thing itself, as you can see right now. So everything is sorted here. All the follow us links and the rest of the links visible. The rest of the things, if I tap here, we have the cart as well. So let me cross it out. So that was just to give you an idea that it's very responsive anywhere, with your desktop, laptop, your mobile device, your Android, your iOS device, your iPad, or your Galaxy Tab. Now let me once again show you the mega menu. So this is the mega menu, and from here you can check the main category and the subcategories thereafter. I've just shown you how we can sign in. So this is how we can sign out. And to create a new account, just tap here in the create an account. fill in your details, tap on create an account, and you're done creating a new account within the responsive theme. Now let's see the sellers, what we say as the collection page. So for that, let me log into my customer account. So I've just come to one product page. I'm on the category right now. On the left hand side we have recently ordered, my wish list, and the others. So here we'll just go to the seller profile, and from here we'll just go to the collection page of this particular seller. So I'll just tap here on the visit button, and if I scroll down, here we have the products, the different categories within which this seller sells the products. Okay, the seller's pick, reviews, make a review, contacts are, they are the same. So here are the products and the seller's picks, or the products that the seller has set up. And if we talk about editing the seller's account panel, so if I go to my account and there I go to seller profile, so from here we can change a lot of things there. So apart from that, we can also add the product labels that we see at the storefront, like I'll just give you an example for that. So let me open this category. So from here you can edit the seller's profile, change the banners as you could previously within the marketplace by Webkul for the Magento 2 platform. And now let me show you how we can add the product labels that are visible on the products at the storefront. And these labels are like this, as you can see right now, the orangish. You can change the colors. Let me tap on the product page. So this is basically a discount label. If I open this image, so that's a discount image. So this was basically, so like the customer itself, we have the my account and the rest of the things. And I'll be just logging out of this Agorate theme for the responsive theme for the Magento Multimedia Marketplace by Webkul. So similarly, we can go to the account information for the customers, do the same very easily. Now let's see how we can create the product labels, and for that let me take you to the backend now, and thereafter we'll be checking the backend configuration settings that we have for this. And before that, before we go to the backend, let me show you some other things that we can do from the seller's profile page. Actually, I've already shown you the seller location thing, the policies, the contact seller, and the rest of the things, so there's nothing more to show. So you can just check the user guide I've attached and the rest of the links as well for your better understanding. So now let's rock on to the backend now, and let's see the backend configuration settings for this marketplace responsive theme itself. So I'll just log into my Magento 2 Multimedia Marketplace plugin by Webkul, and it has the, alright, let me just fix this up, and this backend has the responsive theme installed right now. So we'll be logging in and making the initial configuration settings for the responsive theme template itself. Alright, it's time to change the password right now, so let me take you to the user guide and show you the rest of the configuration settings there. And when it's time and I'll be able to access this thing here, then I'll be adding one more video if you want. Otherwise there's no need. You can comment in the description section below and let me know whether you want the backend configuration settings to be explained step by step or not. So for now I'll just take you to the user guide and I'll just show you the backend thing. So after login, you just need to navigate to stores and configuration. Under that we have to go to Agorate configuration. From here you can set up the color settings, you can manage the product images. Let me show you that color. Then we have the manage product images. So these are the label images. You can browse and upload your images. You can set up, manage the top 2 first level categories that we were talking about. You can set up the social links of the footer. You can manage them. You can also manage the product carousel for the home page. Here we have a number of settings as well. And after that we'll go to content and then configuration, and there we'll be selecting one of our design configurations and tap on the edit link that we have under the actions column. And for the default theme from here, applied theme, we'll just choose Agore and then tap on the save configuration button at the top right hand corner. Now let's check the product settings, how we can set up or mark any product as featured and the seller's pick, and choose the custom product labels for those products. So for that, the admin will go to that particular product, and here you can choose to set it as is featured. You can set it as a seller's pick. You can also choose the custom product image label that you can set for this particular product that you want to have. Also, after installation, you have the Agore side option here on the side panel for the backend configuration panel of the admin. Within that, and under Agore, we have the manage slider images, and after that you go to that section, manage slider images. You can add images for the slider. You can edit anyone that you have already created. To add a new one, you just need to set up a few details like the image title, upload the images, set the sort order, set it as enabled, and tap on the save button. Apart from that, you can also add images with the various levels of the categories there, and for that you'll just go to the particular category for which you want to have that particular image. For example, for the first two level categories, we can do that. Go to the women, men, and then you can change their images basically, and then they would be visible at the storefront as we have already shown you. And for example, after that, if you want to set the images for the third level ones, just go to them. You can do the same for the main parent one. Go to the child one, and then navigate to the Agore settings and upload the particular image that you want to display at the home page for that particular category as you want. So that was much about the Magento 2 Multimedia Marketplace Agore, or the responsive theme template, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular responsive template. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may also raise a ticket at webcool.us.com. Also, do follow us on our social accounts on the Instagram, LinkedIn. We are on the Twitter as well, and just drop us a hello there. And do subscribe and like this particular video if you liked it, and subscribe it to get more future updates and new technological features that we are bringing in within the e-commerce sector itself. And thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.